The spine is composed of 33 bones called vertebral divided into 5 sections. Number 1 cervical, number 2 thoracic, number 3 lumbar spine section, number 5 sacrum and occiput. The spine is made up of 33 vertebrae. More than 13 million neurons are found in spine. Adults only have 26 vertebrae because bones fuse together as we age. There are 22 ligaments in the spine. The 26 bones of the spine are called vertebral. The first 5 bones of spine are known as the cervical vertebrate. The next 12 bones are known as the thoracic vertebrae, followed by 5 lumbar vertebrae, and then on fused scrotal and coaxi at the last. How many vertebral columns do we have? 33. The spine has 33 stacked vertebrae and small bones.